Hi, I wanted to share a quick video with all of you to thank you for taking the time to complete the midterm survey. A few of you noted that I don't do videos, and that is very true. I used to do them for each of the weeks as a lecture, but in all honesty, they became quickly outdated and obsolete. I should, however, make it a better habit of having an actual presence in the class via videos, because I know how important that is in an online class. In all honesty, I do also hate the sound of my own voice on a video, which is also a big reason why I don't do a lot of them. At any rate, as I'm sure you know better than me, we are rapidly approaching the end of the semester. We only have 5 weeks left, including Thanksgiving break, and I know that time will go by quickly. The final assignment, which is due on the 16th of December, is a sociological application to a movie of your choice. I always enjoy this assignment because I get a lot of great movie ideas, which always comes in handy over the holiday break. Because I know the end of the semester is a super busy time for everyone, you can see that that assignment is already opened in our course site. So go see a cool movie over Thanksgiving break with your family and think about how you can examine it sociologically. I will provide some more information as we get a bit closer, and feel free to run any ideas past me on email. There are a lot of TV shows and movies that are full of sociological applications, to include The Handmaid's Tale. By the way, if you do like that show and if you've watched it on Hulu or read the book, I highly recommend that you read Margaret Atwood's new book called The Testaments, which picks up after The Handmaid's Tale ends. At any rate, and also any movie that's shown at the Flicks is always a good choice. As a general rule, I would stay away from TV shows because they don't have clear beginnings and ends. Let me know if you have any questions or need any suggestions. Keep up the great work, and thank you again for taking the time to provide me feedback regarding the course. There are some suggestions that I can implement, like including videos, and some I'm afraid that I can't, like switching the beginning and ending days of our class, just due to the fact that a change of that magnitude at this point of the semester would be difficult for me as well as for each of you. Have a great rest of your week, and I will see you online. That's one of my students.